Hey, what's up, tubers and tubas? It's me, Alex. I'm doing a special episode today. I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for over 800 subs, and I hope you enjoyed today's episode. And I'm going to be opening it now. So the reason I got it is because I'm a photographer and I like to take pictures and I like to do my channel. And I need that 48 megapixel sensor, and I need I got the purple color, and I need the, what is that called, the dynamic island, and also the, all the capabilities of the iPhone that it can provide. So I have the box here. I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing video now. So are you ready? Okay, here it is. So I got my scissors here. So I just got the package in the mail. So as you can see, I have the scissors here. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the iPhone Pro 14 Max. iPhone 14 Pro Max, purple color. Okay, here we go. So just let me open it up now. Just give me a second, tubers and tubers. I have to open up the box, so just give me a second, okay? Okay. It's not easy to open, so now since I have it, I'm opening it today. I'm going to be formatting my 13 Pro Max, and I have to transfer over my data to the iCloud. So alright, just let me open it up now. Just give me a second, okay? Oh gosh, okay, here it is. I just found it. Okay. Okay, there it is. I'm unboxing it now for you. Okay, there it is. I'm doing the unboxing now. Okay, let's get the bad boy open now. Okay, so here it is. I'm unboxing it now, as you can see. Okay. Wow, there it is. Let me just give it a nice kiss for you. Welcome to Thailand from Singapore. 3 kisses for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Just came in from Singapore. Let me smell that. I love that smell. Oh my gosh, I love that smell. Okay, well here it is. Here it is, iPhone 14 Pro Max. And I'm doing an unboxing video today, as you can see. So let me put the cart away. Okay, I'm just gonna put that away. I'll just put it on the chair for now. And now that we got into the nitty-gritty of it, I'm just gonna be opening it, because what I have to do is I have to put film on this. I like using, I think it's called hydrogel. I don't know if it's called hydrogel, but I have to put film on it, the gel on it, because I need gel for my products. I always put the film on it. So I'm going to be putting film on it. Tomorrow I'm going to be putting film. The price of the film is like 200 baht. The phone was like 57,000, I think. Yeah, so 900 baht. So yeah, this is it, iPhone 14 Pro Max. I have to charge this baby, and I'm doing the transfer over today. So as you can see, it's very beautiful. So just focus in on that, and as you can see, I'm over here, and we'll just do another 10 minutes before so what I'm going to do is now, I'm going to open it. Okay, so let's open it here. Here it goes. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Unboxing. Okay. Okay, there's one. And then another one here. I gotta rip that from the bottom. Okay. Wow, that's so beautiful. Check that out, guys. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that baby. That's purple. I got a nice case for it. I'm using the UAG case, and it's the Monarch okay, with the and the Monarch series is with the Kevlar. So I'm using Kevlar, and it's the black case. And as you can see, it's very beautiful, so I'm just going to zoom in on that for you. iPhone 14 Pro Max. I like doing unboxing videos sometimes, but I really need the dynamic island. I like the always-on capability screen, and I also like the 48 megapixel new sensor. So hopefully, you know, I can use this for my channel and when I travel. So, oh my God, I'm so excited! There it is, guys. So, and I got purple because this is the new color from Apple. So this is the purple color. Okay. So just let me look at it now. So it comes with the lightning cable. You don't get a charger brick. So I got the 30-watt charging brick because I think it's capable of charging up to 27 watts. So I got the 30-watt, and that gives you a nice fast charge. You can charge it like within an hour, I think. Or it's very fast charging. So there's the USB to lightning cable. Or no, that's yeah, USB-C to lightning. Oh my gosh, I just dropped it. Actually, don't worry about it. It's just the you know, the stuff that comes in there, you know, with the key to put the SIM card. So that's the SIM card key right there. Okay. And because I have to transfer over to my SIM card, so I have to use that key. Okay. So here it is, guys. Now, like I said, I need a film on this, so I'm not going to be opening it until I get to my room, but there it is. And I'm going to open it up now, and there you go. There it is, guys. So it's very, very beautiful, as you can see. Unboxing iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now you're probably asking me why I got it, because I like to upgrade every year. And like I said, I'm a photographer, so I need that 48 megapixel sensor. And also the dynamic island, I need all that. And also the always on screen. So now what I'm going to be doing is, I'm going to be putting the case on it today. And then tomorrow I'm going to be putting the film on it. And hopefully I'm going to get a nice film on it tomorrow. Okay, and yeah, that's about it for this unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thank you for over 800 subs. Hopefully we can get that up to 900. And I'm going to be posting this as soon as I get home. I'm going to be posting this, and that's about it. So it's about the same size as the 13, I think, Pro Max, but this is the 14 Pro Max. I'm using the 512 gigabytes because 1 terabyte is too much for me, and normally when I do an episode, I just upload it to my channel and then I delete it. So I don't need that much memory, but if you need more memory, go ahead. But I think it comes in 128 gigabytes, 256, and also 512. Considering this came in from Singapore, as you can see. Basically getting high off electronics here. I'm going to put it back in the box because I have a lot of stuff to do tonight. I'm very busy right now. So I actually, I'm fixing my AirPods Max. I have the green one, and I already put it in order for sending it in for the repair because they're not working. So they quoted me like 9,000 baht for that. It's like 300 US, and they told me to wait about one or 2 weeks for picking it up. So yeah, unfortunately, yeah, the AirPods Max, after I was using it for 2 years, I use it every day actually, so I use it for like half an hour watching my series on like Netflix. Right now I'm watching the Jeffrey Dahmer show, and then also I use it for PC. I like to connect it to PC as well. Pretty much I had two choices. I was looking at the Sony WF-1000 XM5s. They're going for like 15,000. That's like $400. Or the WF, I think they're called WF-1000 XM4s. They're going for like 11,000. That's like $300. So pretty much. Oh, I forgot to stop my watch. Those are going for like yeah, 300. Those are also second choices, but I decided to repair my AirPods Max because of the simple fact that you know because of the simple fact that I just got off of work right now, so that's why I look tired and exhausted. For the simple fact that I repaired it because they give me 3 months warranty, so that's not bad. You know, with the product that I've been using every day for the past 2 years, you know, that's not bad at all actually. So I just got another 5 more minutes on this, so I'm just gonna say, you know, if you need to know anything, please leave it in the comments section. And I hope you enjoyed me unboxing this. So as you can see, this box, the model number, and it says everything on here. So I believe this is they assemble it in China. They made it in China, but then they ship it to Singapore, and then it comes from Singapore to Thailand. So that's how it works. Now, yeah, I know I could have got it at the store, but I just like it delivered to my place because you know, it's less of a hassle for the, you know, like waiting in line or ordering it, you know. So yeah, that's about it, guys, and I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Right now, I just want to tell you the game that I'm playing. I'm playing Mario Rabbids on Nintendo Switch, and let me tell you, it's a good game if you like strategy games. Came out in 2017, Kingdom Battle, and I know Sparks of Hope is coming out on the 20th, but what happened was I was stuck on chapter 3.9 actually, and I didn't do any grinding, so now I have to, you know, grind, and I have to get the platinum, you know, the platinums I have to basically repeat level 1 and 2 and do all the challenges and get everything perfect and do the secret levels as well. Pretty much just level up my characters, and then finally I'll beat, you know, chapter 4 and I can beat the game. But anyways, yeah, so I hope you enjoyed today's video of me unboxing the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And let me know in the comments, are you upgrading this year to the new version, or are you still going to be stuck with your old version? Please let me know. And you know, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Now I have this on the table with my microphone, and I'm using the LED light, but I have it with the minimum setting actually, and I'm also using the amber filter. So yeah, let me know, are you upgrading this year? Let me know, and if you are, please let me know. You know, I would really appreciate it if you could let me know. And as you can see, there's it's actually, you know, the sun setting right now, so you can't really see the back because the curtains are down. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and I hope you can travel with me and journey with me throughout the 77 provinces, and that's my goal. So what I'm going to do with this phone is, I like taking pictures of like nature and animals, and I also like taking pictures of like you know, different places that I go to and traveling, and also I like vlogging. So please follow me on social media. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so thank you for joining me on today's episode. I'll probably load this episode tomorrow because I got a lot of episodes loaded. I think I have like 3 months of episodes to upload. So yeah, that's how much stock I have. Like, I've been doing so much content. Like, I have literally 3 months of content. So this whole year is already filled, and probably until next year. So my hair is a mess right now because I just finished work. But I'm only going to do another minute, and then I'm going to stop it. So yeah, I don't really game on phones. Now I'm just gaming on PC, Windows 11. I also have Nintendo Switch and PlayStation 5. So those are the games that I'm playing right now. On PlayStation 5, I'm also playing a game called Trails of Cold Steel. And it's the new game. And it's called Trails from Zero. And I stopped playing that to finish up Mario because Sparks of Hope is out. That's the second, you know, volume in the series. So okay, guys, tubers and tubettes, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I gotta get out of here now. I just got another minute left. What I'm gonna do is basically I'm gonna take a shower. I just finished working out. I worked out for like an hour today, so I did 30 minutes cardio and I did 30 minutes weightlifting. I'm very busy today, very busy tomorrow, so I'll try uploading more content. Thank you for following me on my channel, and then I hope to see you guys in the next episode Okay, so I'm gonna stop it now. Take care of yourself. Remember, when you help other people, you help yourselves. Bye bye. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Bye bye.